Well, welcome back to the channel, 2025, here we are. I actually wanted to get this video out at the end of last year in 2024, but I got caught up with Christmas and travel and all that sort of stuff, so I thought I'll save it up for just the first few days of this new year. So Happy New Year everyone, hope everyone had a fantastic and safe and wonderful New Year's. Hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas. It was a pretty good time off, we had a couple of weeks off, closed the yard up for a little while, and yeah, now we're back to work full time on Monday, but I thought I'd film something a little bit different today. This is my workshop, so I do, if you've watched my channel before, you know I'm a car dealer as well as an avid Tamiya collector. So I've got a little car dealership with my wife, and I used to have a big car dealership, now I've got a small car dealership. So I'm always fixing something or repairing something or buying and selling something. So I thought, yeah, I'll just film in here today rather than inside. So yeah, this year I think though, I do want to build a dedicated studio, somewhere I can just sort of have it set up, ready to go, better lighting, get the sound all right and stuff like that. Just so when I make these videos, there's a bit more consistent look to everything, and everyone can sort of, yeah, I can present things a little bit better, a little bit nicer, and it's more, yeah, like a consistent approach to actually the scene that I'm sitting in. Like I said, today I thought I'd just sit in here. I've got a couple of cars of mine. That's my, I've got a VR Marloo Ute that I've had for ages, and this Datsun Z, which I've been building since, oh, when did I start that? 7th of the 10th, 2017, but it's almost finished, so I haven't got much left to go on that one, but yeah, once that's finished, I'll probably give you guys a little bit of a look at my one-to-one collection cars. But this video I wanted to show you, well, first thing I did want to say was we actually got official announcement that, oh, we are getting another run of these, the 2017 Big Wigs. So yeah, these are going to be coming, oh, I would say March, we should have availability, a stock of these. So yeah, we've got them back again. It's not going to have the Technigold, it's going to have the GT Tunes, which is a dedicated Big Wig sticker on it and stuff like that. But yeah, if you missed out last time, you're going to be able to get them again this time. So yeah, probably March you should start to see some stock arrive. So that's pretty good. But in 2024 we had 18 from my calculations releases of RC. So I wanted to just run through the list and sort of recap what we got for the year. You know, 18's 2 or 3 every 2 months, which is pretty good, 1.5 a month. I think that's a pretty good run rate to release. It gives people enough time to save and buy the ones they really, really want. I've got the list down here, so I'm going to be looking up and down. I'm going to put the pictures up on the screen of all the ones that we had released for the year. And hopefully 2025 we have a similar sort of number come out again, which I think we will. Hopefully there's something special in there for everyone in this coming year. So I guess this is in no particular order when they were released. This is just what we got in 2024. So to start with, we've got the 1997 Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR on the TC01 chassis. Then we had the Toyota Celica GT4 ST185 on the TT02 chassis. Of course, we had everyone's favourite for the year, I think, was the Hotshot 2. It was definitely my favourite release for the year. We had the Supra JZA80 on the BT01. The Opel Kadett GTE on the MB01, the Modell Ortec Z on the TT02 chassis. Then we had a Ford Baja Bronco on the CC02. Now I've got a CC02 Land Cruiser, which was a really fun chassis to build. I've got a CC01 and a CC02, so I could compare the two. They were a very, very fun build, that one. We had a truck, a Volvo FH16 Globetrotter XL 750 4x2. That was a pretty cool truck. We had a Citroen DS on the MB01 chassis again. We also had a release of the XM01 Pro chassis kit, so just the chassis kit, which is fantastic. And we also had a TRF chassis, the TRF 421, so that chassis kit came out in the year as well. On the TT02 again, we had the NSX Racing, Honda Racing NSX. Again, back to the BT01, we had the Porsche 911 Carrera RSR 2.8, which is an amazing, I've got a one-to-one scale Porsche 911, and it's one of my favourite cars. We also had the ST205 Celica GT4, so the 185 and the 205. That was good. That was on a TT02 chassis. Another one of everyone's favourite for the year was the Porsche 956. Just got mine and love it to pieces. I'm looking forward to building it. Another truck was the Scania 770S 8x4x4 Gunmetal Edition. So yeah, that was a pretty cool looking truck. Number 17, the Eneos X Prime GR Supra on the TT02 chassis. And from my YouTube analytics, my #1 viewed video for the whole year was me asking everyone about the Tamiya Hornet Evo. Yeah, so that was a little bit controversial. For some reason, I said I don't understand it, and everyone understood it. Some people didn't understand it, but it was a pretty popular video that everyone watched, and I thank you for watching and commenting. But yeah, that was that the #1 release for the year, or the Hotshot 2 the #1 release for the year, or the 956? Which one of those three do you think was the best release for the year? Because I reckon it's one of those three, in my opinion. I'm going to go with the Hotshot 2. I've been waiting forever for a Hotshot 2. I could never ever find one secondhand that wasn't completely destroyed, and getting parts for them was a bloody nightmare. Blockhead motor was the previous year, so we sort of were running down that road towards getting the Hotshot 2. But yeah, I think the Hotshot 2 was probably the #1 release for me for 2024. So hopefully in 2025 we get something else that's going to be the #1 release for me for the year. But yeah, pretty exciting to see what's going to come, I think, this year. But short video, quick recap of what we had. Let's all hope we have a wonderful 2025. We don't want any more nonsense going on in the world. We just want to live our lives and be happy and play with our RC cars and build them and run them and break them and build them again. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and we'll see you in our very next video, which is going to probably be the February official release, because there was nothing for January. So we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.